Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on activity based on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now you will find here ads. Click on it. Here click add preferences, and here you gonna find activity based. Click like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.